Ventoy is free and open source application used for writing image files on USB flash drives to make them bootable. It can run both on Windows and Linux operating systems. There are many different programs out there that can do this, but at the moment Ventoy is really extraordinary. The reason for this is that it lets you write multiple ISO, Vim, IMG or VHDX files to a single flash drive. Yes, until this exceptional piece of software appeared, you needed a separate USB drive for each operating system that you needed to install. It supports practically all current Windows versions and more than 300 Linux distributions. Once Ventoy is installed onto USB drive, there is no need to reformat the disk to update it with new installation files. It is enough to copy the ISO or other supported image file to the USB drive and it is immediately ready for boot process. In this video we will show how to install Ventoy on both Windows and Linux. Let's start first with installing on Windows, which is by the way more straightforward process. Okay, first we go to Downloads and click on Ventoy 1078 windows.zip, which will lead to a GitHub page. Again, click Ventoy for Windows. And finally it is downloaded. We are extracting archive to desktop. Double click on this. Choose the USB drive which you want to make bootable. And that's it. Our USB drive is bootable and ready for ISO images. I'm gonna copy System Rescue CD and the Ubuntu images, which I have previously downloaded, so that we can test how actually Ventoy works. Finally, we have booted our computer from Ventoy USB flash drive, and we can see how simple it is to choose operating system that we want to install. And of course, now we will explain how to make a bootable USB flash drive in Linux. On Ventoy website, click on Downloads, then click Ventoy-1078-linux.tar.gz, which is currently the latest version, and we are on GitHub page, where we need again to click on the same link. We have downloaded archive file on our computer, and I will unpack it into this desktop folder. Open terminal and type this. sudo sh ventoyweb.sh. Open web browser and enter Next. As we can see, web application which is in front of us is very similar to Windows application, so there is no need to explain again. I hope you found this video informative. Thank you for viewing.